Here we go. It might seem crazy what I'm about.
Happy birthday, G!
Hey buddy, happy birthday. We love you so much and we're so proud of you. I hope you have a fantastic day.
11! So proud of you, buddy. I can't wait to see what this year holds for you.
Super
Big
excited, man.
kisses. Love you, G-Bear.
Take care.
Bye!
With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way.
Happy birthday, Gray.
Hey, buddy!
11 years old. My goodness, you're going to be an old guy.
Can't wait to see you this evening.
Yeah, we're looking forward to dinner with you. We're going to be leaving here in just a little bit, and we'll be over there and we'll spend the evening with you.
Yay!
Yay.
11 years old. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this. Here's the birthday song, though. Da 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 da. Today is your birthday. Da 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 da. Happy birthday to you.
All right, man. See you in a little bit. Bye.
Hold it back. Say what? Yeah. I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. Yeah. No offense to you.
Happy birthday, Gray. 11th birthday. Been a long time, ain't it? Love you.
Hey Gray, I hope you're having a great time at your birthday party and that you're loving all the things Mom planned for you. And I can't wait to hear all about it when you come back. Happy birthday!
This is for you, because I'm happy I'm alone if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down.
Hey, it's Aunt Paulette.
Hi, Gray. Uncle Paul.
We wanted to wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Hope you have a good day, and you've got to tell your parents to bring you back here so you can come swimming. And we'd love to see you guys. We haven't seen you in so long. So again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Love you.
buddy.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm alone if you feel like I'm moving out.
Gray, you're 11 years old. That's awesome. Happy birthday, big man. I hope you have a great day and you feel so loved by your friends and by your family and you play some awesome video games.
That's what you want to do. I'm alone if you feel.
Birthday, Gray. We love you.
Happy birthday, Gray. I hope you have the best day. I love you.
I love you, Gray. Happy birthday, buddy.
Happy birthday, buddy. I hope you have a good birthday, and I miss you, and I hope we can come over soon and see you again. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Gray.
Happy birthday, Gray. I hope you have a good...
Average game truck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.